we are able to check our pulse and oxygen levels quite often these days. And if I checked mine, it's above 200 right now. My pulse is very warm
So
welcome.
sweet. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you, and a big hi to everyone.
All right. Without wasting a single second of your presence, we will just jump into the program that we've planned.
Yes.
Just a small introduction. So, when you're supposed to introduce someone, or when you're asked to introduce someone who is a legend, it is quite paradoxical, actually. You know,
It's
because
6 o'clock.
what could I possibly say more about a 6-time Filmfare Award winner, a National Film Award winner, and a Padma Shri? You know, you all know that already, don't you? I could talk about how in more than 80% of her films, she is the lead actor, and male actors play a supporting role or a second fiddle. But you know that already. That's how we know her as a Shiro. I could talk about how Masters in Sociology from Mumbai University sets out and creates a personal brand by doing unconventional roles, like Amitabh Bachchan's mother in Pa, like a fake pregnant Avenger in Kahani, like the sensuous and seductive actress in The Dirty Picture, the nerdy scientist with a common sense in Mission Mangal, and a human computer most recently in Shakuntala Devi. But you know that already. Finally, I could talk about the inspiration and a role model she is. She defies most of the cliche definitions of a Hindi movie actress. She does not have a famous last name. She does not shoot and post yoga videos, and has risen to the top echelons of Hindi cinema. So I have some questions for you, Vidya.
Yes.
How
Go
are you
for
doing
it.
this?
Sorry?
How are you doing this?
Oh. Firstly, thank you for that lovely introduction.
Just
and
finished. 10 seconds to go. If you could allow me, I'm sorry.
Sure, no problem.
All right. So just like the mathematicians, astronauts, and scientists in Shakuntala Devi, I have a question. How are you doing this? You're sharp and witty and sweet. How are you doing this? You're natural but explosively talented. How are you doing this? You're unconventional but completely believable. How are you doing this? Contemporary but traditional. How are you doing this? So Vidya, a very, very warm welcome from Mahesh Industrial Group, Pune. And the question remains, how are you doing this? Ladies and gentlemen, I know we are all online. She can't hear her applause. But please welcome the legend, Vidya Balan, with a big round of applause.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And your name is definitely not Mahesh Industrial Group. Your name, because that's what it says. Your name is, are you Shalini?
Shalini is a friend of mine. I am Neha Laddar.
Okay. Hi, Neha. Thank you for that lovely introduction again. And sorry to have interrupted you. I think I've been, very, very fortunate that at some point in my career, I was a little unhappy with the kind of work I was doing. And I decided, okay, this is not something I want to do. And I had a faint idea about the kind of work I liked to do, where I was playing substantial roles, telling powerful stories. And I think when you put out that desire into the universe, when you put out any desire into the universe, I think the universe responds with a yes. And I didn't even know how things happened. Things began to happen. So, and I've just responded to life, literally. So if I'm sitting here with you today, I'd only say the thing I feel is gratitude, but I don't have an answer to the question you're asking me. I've also worked with wonderful people who, helped bring out the best in me. But I don't know.
It just overwhelms us when we see success, and we see gratitude, with success. Success is generally followed with arrogance. Gratitude with success is a good combination to look forward to and to be inspired with. So before I begin our formal talk or the formal question answer session, any opening remarks that you would like to give to our
No,
audience?
no, just that hello to everyone who's joined us today from Mahesh Industrial Group, and a big shout out to Ranjana Salvi, who is the reason I'm doing this. She got in touch with me. She's family. And she got in touch with me for this, and I'm really looking forward to this interaction because she's said some wonderful things about you people.
Wow. Thank you so much, Vidya. And again, a very, very warm welcome.
Thank you.
The talk today is going to be divided into 3 parts
Mhm.
because all of us wanted to talk to you. So
Right.
3 of us will be asking you questions.
Lovely.
I will begin with a couple of questions based on your personal life, not very personal, but something that a person Vidya Balan is.
Right.
Then,
Right.
my friend and co-board member Pranay would be asking about your professional journey, and Shalini would join in with the social influence that you create.
Right.
Questions about that. So,
Okay.
roughly 5 or 10 minutes each person would be here.
Sure.
All right. So, let us begin with my first question to you.
Yeah.
We all know Vidya Balan from the characters that she has been playing, the roles that she has been playing. We would want to take this opportunity to ask you what are the characteristics of the Vidya Balan?
Oh my God. I think I'm sensitive, sometimes to the point of being oversensitive. And I'm very passionate. I'm very hardworking. I'm a person with a lot of faith in myself, faith that the universe is a kind place, and that people are good and the life is fair. Yeah, and love begets love. So I'm someone who really believes in love.
That is इतना खूबसूरत लगता है ना जब हम कहते हैं और ये सुनते हैं आप जैसे किसी से कि मुझे अच्छाई में भरोसा है, मुझे हार्ड वर्क पसंद है. I have a 17-year-old.
What?
हाँ.
You have a 17-year-old kid?
Yeah, I have a 17-year-old boy who is 6 feet.
I'm just gonna faint.
No, please don't.
I would have thought you're like a young girl in your early 20s.
Wow, thank you so much. That is beautiful to hear again.
No, but I'm sure you get that all the time.
Yeah, sometimes, but not as much as you would be getting, sure. But बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है जब हम सुनते हैं कि आपको हार्ड वर्क में बिलीव है, बिकॉज आज के जनरेशन या मोस्ट ऑफ अस फील कि चीजें आसान होनी चाहिए. मेहनत इज अंडररेटेड, ऐसा कहते हैं ना. तो आप कहते हो कि मुझे मेहनत में विश्वास है, मुझे अच्छाई में विश्वास है. तो सुनने में अच्छा लगता है. गोइंग टू माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन, मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी जंप करूंगी बिकॉज काफी सारे ऐसे हैं जिन्हें हिंदी शायद प्रेफरेबल है.
श्योर.
मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने परिणीता के बाद की आपकी जर्नी कहीं ना कहीं हमने पढ़ी है, देखी है, सुनी है. परिणीता के पहले की आपकी जर्नी, जो आप मेहनत की बात कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
परिणीता के पहले तो मैंने तकरीबन 90 एड फिल्म्स किए थे, कुछ म्यूजिक वीडियोस किए थे. साउथ में बहुत सारा रिजेक्शन फेस किया, पर सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी मैंने टेलीविजन पर काम किया क्योंकि वही मेरी शुरुआत हुई. हम पांच से भी पहले मैंने एक टीवी शो किया था जो कभी रिलीज ही नहीं हुई. तो बहुत पापड़ बेले मैंने. नहीं, पर लोग मुझसे कहते रहते हैं अच्छा वो स्ट्रगल पीरियड आपका कैसा रहा. मैंने उससे कभी बतौर स्ट्रगल देखा ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैं नॉन फिल्म फैमिली से आती हूँ। तो मैंने हर अपॉर्चुनिटी को अपना सब कुछ दिया, मतलब हर बार मैंने मेहनत की, चाहे वो 30 सेकंड का एड फिल्म हो या फिर 30 मिनट का टीवी शो हो। मुझे हर बार लगा कि हाँ, यही मेरा सबसे बड़ा मौका है, तो मैं ईमानदारी से काम करूंगी। और धीरे धीरे एक एक कदम आगे बढ़ती रही परिणीता, और फिर आखिरकार परिणीता मिली मुझे। पर मेरे कोई गिले शिकवे नहीं है कि टाइम लगा, तकरीबन 10 साल लगे, पर उस दौरान मैंने अपना कॉलेज कंप्लीट किया, एमए भी किया, तो बहुत फायदे भी रहे। अम, और चूंकि मैंने बताया कि मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से नहीं हूं, तो मुझे लगता है उसके बावजूद ये सफर बहुत अच्छा रहा है। ऑफ कोर्स कभी कभी लगता था कि किसी से मैं पूछ लूं, किसी से एडवाइस ले पाऊं तो कितना अच्छा होता, क्योंकि जब भी मैं मेरी फैमिली से कुछ पूछती तो वो कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा दिल दिल क्या कहता है, जो दिल कहता है वही करना। और वो सबसे मुश्किल होता है करना। तो कभी कभी मुझे लगता था कि काश कि कोई होता जो मुझे सही रास्ता दिखाए, आसान रास्ता दिखा दे। पर उसके बावजूद मैं कहूंगी कि जो उतार चढ़ाव थे, जो हाइज एंड लोज थे, दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ। एंड मैं उस हर लम्हे के लिए, उस हर मौके के लिए यू नो अपने आप को बहुत खुशनसीब समझती हूँ। और आई फील अगर एक और बार वो दोहराना पड़े मुझे, परिणीता के पहले के जो साल थे, वो मैं ऐसे ही दोहराना चाहूंगी।
वाओ, वाओ, बिकॉज ये सवाल होता है ना सभी से कि अगर यू लिव वन मोर लाइफ, व्हाट वुड यू
Yeah,
डू डिफरेंटली? एंड द बेस्ट
exactly.
way to live this when you want to do everything same.
Yeah. I think, because Mahan, people would say, won't you want an easier start? And I'm like, no, because I saw that those ups and downs before I came to Parinita, I think I was prepared by the time I reached Parinita. I was, I think, ready to receive success. शायद उससे पहले सक्सेस मिलता तो शायद मेरा दिमाग फिर जाता, शायद मैं हैंडल नहीं कर पाती। तो मुझे तैयार किया जा रहा था to receive success, to enjoy it.
That was the sculpting time.
Yeah, I think so.
Beautiful. My last question, Vidya. Pranay would be joining in after you answer this.
Sure.
लॉकडाउन में हम सभी ने बहुत अलग अलग चीजें की, अलग लर्निंग पीरियड रहा। आपके लिए कैसा रहा लॉकडाउन पीरियड? कुछ नया किया? हाउ डिफरेंट वाज दिस टाइम?
घर का काम किया बहुत सालों बाद। बचपन में मेरी माँ कभी कभी कराती थी, जब समर वेकेशन में जैसे, या हम लोग गाइड्स थे तो हमारी खरी कमाई होती थी, तो उसके लिए हम लोग काम करते थे। पर उसके बाद घर का काम मैंने ज्यादा किया नहीं था, और अब लगातार कुछ महीने मैंने घर का काम किया, अच्छा लगा। हर दिन जब मैं खाने बैठती थी तो लगता था कि हाँ, टुडे आई हैव अर्न्ड माय मील। एंड साथ ही एक्सरसाइज भी हो रहा था, पर एक अलग सुकून भी महसूस हो रहा था, क्योंकि आप अपने घर को खुद साफ कर रहे हो। वैसे भी मुझे साफ सफाई की बहुत आदत है, शौक है, तो मैं बहुत करती रहती हूँ। पर इस दौरान लगातार करना पड़ा, उसमें भी मजा आया। और इस बात से भी मजा आया कि मेरे पति और मैं साथ में, मतलब बांट के काम कर रहे थे। कभी सोचा नहीं था कि we would be sharing housework, so it was a lovely experience. बाकी मैंने फैंसी कुछ किया नहीं। काफी लोगों ने बेक किया, कोई नया म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना सीख रहा था, कोई पोएट्री लिख रहा था। मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं। मैंने बहुत बेसिक
basics.
Yeah, absolutely. Back to the basics.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Vidya.
My pleasure. Lovely talking to you, Neha.
I don't want to leave this chair or this window. When I'm saying that, I don't want to get up from here. फिर झगड़ा हो जाए चलेगा. I want to ask all the questions and be the time. It's a super pleasure talking to you. It's
Thank you.
inspiring, energizing at the same time. Pranay would be joining us, and here on he would take upon questions about the brand that you are. All right, Pranay, here you
Hi,
are.
Pranay. I can't see Pranay.
He'll be here in a minute.
Thanks, Nia.
I can see Ranjana. Hi. I still can't see Pranay, huh?
I'm here, Vidya. Hi.
1 minute. Let me just. For some reason, you're not showing up on my screen.
The same MIG.
It was the same screen.
Same screen.
Me, it's not showing.
Once he starts
I think
talking
once,
for a while, it would pop up.
Okay, great. So, hi, Pranay, even though I
Yeah.
can't see you.
Yeah, no problems. So I think Vidya, whenever the name comes to my mind, it reminds me of three things. Basically, your charm, your wittiness, and obviously I can never forget your big laugh. The good morning one. That always reminds me, and practically I use it many times whenever I want to wake up my daughters.
Oh, how lovely.
Yes. And so that is one thing which I really admire, those two
Thank you.
qualities of yours. Okay. So
Thank you.
yeah. And so without wasting much time, there are a lot of questions I had from my colleagues also. And
Right.
let me tell you, this is the first time I am talking to a celebrity. I am an engineer by profession, and my answers have always be to the point answers. So it's a experience talking to you.
No, but I hope you don't expect on the point or to the point answers
No,
from
not at
me,
all.
because I talk a lot.
No, I like to listen because that is what I have. My wife also, she's also a good talker, and
Oh, lovely.
yeah, fine. So Vidya, we all, at least of people of my generation, have seen you coming up as a brand right from your. I remember your Hum Paanch to your latest movie Shakuntala.
Yeah.
So obviously, we all know you are an outsider in this industry, no formal training for you. But can you just tell all of us something about your journeys, the challenges, the ups and downs, what you have faced? And last but one is, how can you help draw a parallel between the traditional versus the film industry?
You know, I think I never saw myself as an outsider. Of course, I feel that I was aware of the fact that I come from a non-film background, and therefore it might take a bit longer for me to get my first break. But I'm a very patient person, so I think I waited it out. और मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप आउटसाइडर हैं तो जब आपको आपकी पहली अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है या ब्रेक मिलता है, आप इनसाइडर हो जाते हैं. It's just that foot in the door, you know. आजकल बहुत आउटसाइडर इनसाइडर बातें हो रही हैं, पर मैं इन सब बातों में विश्वास नहीं करती. I think you're an outsider if you feel it, and you're an insider if you believe it. But you know, I'd say that this has been the only dream I've ever had in my life, Pranay.
Okay.
If you ask me from the age of 8, I wanted to be an actor. पहले तो किसी ने मुझे seriously नहीं लिया क्योंकि हर बच्चा actor बनना चाहता है. पर धीरे-धीरे people, you know, my family started realizing that I was serious about this, and they were worried initially. But when they saw how passionate I was, they supported me in every which way. That includes my parents and my elder sister Priya. और मुझे लगता है जब आपको अपने आप पर विश्वास है, then धीरे-धीरे, you know, चीजें काम करने लगती हैं. मतलब you know, life just has a way of working itself out when you believe in yourself, and that's a gift I've got from my parents of self-belief. So wo ho gaya. And between, you know, you were saying between the traditional and have I answered your question, Pranay?
Yeah, so basically drawing, because film industry is one where people don't know much about it, or
Yeah.
whatever we hear it is from magazines or gossip shows or chat shows. So,
Yeah.
but for other industries, I think there are a lot of precedences and a lot of things what people know. So how do you compare traditional industry versus the film industry?
No, I think, I beg to differ, Pranay. I think unless you're in an industry, you don't know how it really works. In that sense, until again you get that foot in the door, you are an outsider to every industry. Of course, I know that for a lot of other industries, for a lot of other professions, there's training that gives you a sense of how, work would actually be. But I think the traditional industries, if at all, they're probably, from my point of view, they're a lot more stable. They give you a lot more security. Probably 2 + 2 = 4 most of the time, unless you're a scientist, because scientists have to work with so many variables and so many failed attempts. But I think as an actor, there are really, it's very it's very difficult to actually pinpoint what it is that makes someone a success. So over because it is work, there are lots of talented people who don't make it. But if I have realized one thing, it's that even people with lesser talent often make it when they have self-belief. So that's the one thing that is a requisite to be in the film industry, and not only in front of the camera, I think anywhere, because there's a lot of uthal puthal, there is a lot of uncertainty in this industry. So you have to have I cannot emphasize enough the amount of self-belief you need to have in this, over every other qualification, over every other training that you could get. But yeah, I think it's that. So that's the basic difference between the traditional industries and the film industry.
Okay. I think Vidya, I think your answers will definitely have helped many of young aspiring youngsters who want to join this industry. And I think I am also very thankful because my younger daughter is also keen on becoming an actor. And I think,
Really?
yeah, really, she is like, I don't want to become an actor, nothing else. And I think the way your parents have supported you, I think it's on us also to support my daughter for this.
And Pranay, I just want to tell you, as a parent, I'm sure when your daughter is ready to join films or to become an actor or whatever she chooses within the film industry, आपको फिकर हो सकती है. But please, in my experience, I've learned, and I want to share this with you, that the world is what you make of it.
Right.
So, people say कि अरे ये तो इस इंडस्ट्री में तो भेड़िए बहुत हैं, मैंने एक भी नहीं देखा आज तक, और मुझे बहुत साल हो गए. So, if you have faith in your daughter, if she has faith in herself, if you have faith in your upbringing, then she's going to be safe always.
Okay. Thanks, Vidya.
All the best to her.
Yeah, thank you. Moving on to the next question. We have seen you doing unconventional and female-centric films such as The Dirty Picture, Kahani, Begum Jaan, and even Shakuntala. So what made you take up such different roles? Which is like, for me at least, I've seen many actors and actresses. This is something like a revolution. Nobody has done such kind of different unconventional jobs.
Thank you, Pranay. I think I'm someone who gets bored very easily. To keep myself engaged, I need to choose different kinds of characters. And today there is such a variety, there's lovely writing. I really think this is the best time to be in Hindi films, because just the exploration of a wide variety of subjects, different kinds of treatment, and female roles are probably at their very best at this point. Yeah, because it is a reflection of women in society, and they're very inspirational stories. But we are also seeing women as people, not just as women.
Right.
So you're seeing them with their flaws. You're seeing them as, so there is it's the best time. So I'm just a greedy actor. तो जब मुझे अच्छे मौके मिलते हैं, मैं दोनों हाथों से जकड़ लेती हूँ, and then I try and give it my best. But I think that you know, so it's a little bit of what I want to do and a little bit of what is happening in the industry, which is why I've been able to do the work I've been able to do.
That's great. So Vidya, just one last question I have out of curiosity. So
Yeah.
I have many articles ki you have a great love for perfume, and you use a different one for each role you play. That's what I have heard somewhere from some magazine or something long back. I
Right.
just get the connection between the two. Is it true? And
Is it? It is true. It is true. Because मुझे लगता है कि you know, for example, I'm one person, no, playing different people, and I think all of us have a unique aura, have a certain you know, fragrance which is very unique to us.
right.
So because I'm one person and my fragrance cannot change, I change the perfume.
Oh,
You
great.
know, and I just realized that every time I use a particular perfume for a character, for example, I used a perfume called Spice Blend for Shakuntala because I felt like she's a combination of spices, and I found this perfume, so I use that. You know, it's just small tools that you use as an actor.
Okay, great, great. So just one last wish before I hand it over to Shalini. If you
Sure.
just in your beautiful, lovely voice, once again, say the two words, good evening or good morning.
Sure. Good evening, Pune.
Thank you. Thank you. I hand
Thank
it
you,
over to Shalini.
Pranay. I
Yeah.
still haven't seen you, but lovely talking to you.
Okay.
Hi, Vidya.
Hi.
Can
Who's
you-
this?
This is Shalini, finally.
Hi, Shalini. Now I can see you.
Great.
Hi, Shalini.
And thanks to Ranjana, she's a very close friend and very dear friend of mine. And I'm so thankful to her that through her we could get you. And it's a pleasure for MIG Group to have you here.
Yes. I also just said thanks to Ranjana.
Yeah.
She's
Okay.
I can't see her now, but anyway.
Okay, Vidya, you are a student of sociology and you have done very good study on human behavior and society. So my questions to you are, first, we say movies are a reflection of society. Don't you think society is influenced by movies?
No, I actually think that, you know, films are a reflection of reality, of society. But it depends, you know, sometimes it's a reflection of um, a reality in a very small part of the world. But what happens when it gets projected on screen, when that story gets told on screen, more people get inspired by it, for sure. But I think the source is always society.
Because many a time people say कि ये idea picture देख करके आया. So
वो you know, जब कोई कुछ गलत करता है ना, तो फिल्मों पे को दोष देता है. I know so many people who say that, you know, फिल्मों में smoking नहीं दिखाना चाहिए क्योंकि फिर सब smoke करने लग जाएंगे. तो I'm like, क्योंकि लोग बाहर smoke करते हैं इसीलिए तो हम फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं, है ना?
okay, but the roles you have opted are the bolder roles, right? And you have made bold choices. As an actress and a very highly influential social person, you hold responsibility of influencing social thinking also today through the kind of roles that you play, because people by and large get inspired by the role models, or they usually have their own role models, or they follow their favorite stars and all. So don't you think somewhere you hold this responsibility where the kind of character that you play do influence social thinking or social mentality?
Very honestly, Shalini, I don't feel any sense of responsibility towards anyone but myself. My only attempt is to be true to myself at all times. Or because you know, ये सोचना कि अच्छा मेरे कुछ कहने से या करने से मैं दुनिया बदल सकती हूँ या दुनिया लोगों की सोच बदल सकती हूँ, I think a bit presumptuous, you know. So I feel I just want to be true to myself, and उस रास्ते चलते अगर कोई कुछ मुझसे सीख पाया या प्रेरणा ले पाया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, पर वो I'm not doing anything to impress anything upon anyone or to impress anyone.
Maybe you are not doing it, but आप बहुत सारे लोगों की प्रेरणा हो, आपको देख करके लोग बहुत ज्यादा प्रेरित होते हैं, और कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आपने कोई रोल चूज किया है या सिलेक्ट किया है, उससे अगर कोई प्रेरणा लेकर के कुछ करने की कोशिश करे तो।
हाँ, वो हुआ है मेरे साथ, you know, बहुत बार हुआ है, एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब लोग कहते हैं। पर मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर मैं सोचूं कि अच्छा मैं लोगों को प्रेरित करना चाहती हूँ, इसीलिए ये कहानी सुनाना चाहती हूँ, तो फिर ना मैं अपने काम की तरफ ईमानदार नहीं रहूंगी। I feel I should play the role in all honesty. Like I said, along the way, if someone, जैसे तुम्हारी सुलू के साथ हुआ, तुम्हारी सुलू देखने के बाद इतनी औरतें मेरे पास आई, अभी भी आती हैं, you know, जब मैं कहीं मिलती हूँ तो या कभी you know सोशल मीडिया पर लोग लिखते हैं कि इस फिल्म ने you know मेरी लाइफ बदल दी, मुझे लगा कि मैं भी लाइफ में कुछ कर सकती हूँ, क्या हो गया अगर मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो गए, you know मेरी लाइफ मैं अपने लिए अब जीना शुरू करूंगी। या फिर people have said, you know, Sulu is my mother, Sulu is my sister, Sulu is my wife. Or these things are so lovely, but I didn't set out for that reaction. I set out to tell a story in all honesty, but I'm grateful to have had that impact.
But definitely to a lot of ladies, lot of females. In fact, I mean, apart from lot of males, you have a lot of female fan following also.
I'm very glad. Thank you.
Okay. Tell me one thing. One social appeal from an actor or actress has bigger reach than many politicians' appeal. That is why normally, generally for social campaigns, more of people from Bollywood are involved. So what is your take on this, and how as an actor or actress, taking up a social cause can help you in developing sensitivity among masses? I know you are doing a lot of good work on this.
No, but you know, Shalini, again, I'd like to say कि हाँ मैं करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है, but I don't think you know, a lot of people ask me, don't you think more actors should be attaching themselves to social causes? And I say, no, there's no, you know, there are no do's and don'ts. अगर आपको, if you feel strongly about a cause, you should definitely do your bit for it. You're right. I feel that being an actor, being a public figure, अगर दो और लोग मेरी बात सुनने वाले हैं तो मैं अपनी आवाज का इस्तेमाल करूंगी, you know, to draw attention, to bring about awareness to a certain cause. Like currently I'm Goodwill Ambassador for Arpan, which is an NGO that works towards freedom from child sexual abuse. इस बारे में कोई बोलना नहीं चाहता, तो अगर I feel like, you know, ये जो है, this, if it can be removed from the face of this child sexual abuse, it would be an even more beautiful world. So I'm doing my bit because I feel strongly about that. You are right. We have that. We should be, you know, we are very fortunate that we have that place where कोई हमारी बात सुनेगा. तो अगर आपका मन करे तो you should definitely use your voice. But I think we should not just wait for celebrities, you know, in our own space. We should do what we can towards either bringing awareness or contributing to causes that we believe in. Because boon boon se banta hai sagar, literally.
That's very true. Okay, how would you like to see India as an independent India, 100 years young? This is actually a query by one of our audience. And he says, what role would you like to play in that?
That of a responsible citizen, that of a proud Indian. You know, I think it's unfortunate, but we don't really feel pride in our country, most of us. And, you know, but we want a show of pride. Today, it's become more about showing off how proud you are of your country, of how I think that is really, that projection, that posturing is pointless and it's a waste of time. We must really feel proud of our nation because we've got a rich heritage. We've got a very rich and vibrant culture, and we've got diversity in language, in tradition. When I say tradition, I also mean traditional crafts, handicrafts. There's variety in, every few 100 kilometers in India, and we should celebrate that. So the only role I want to play is that of a responsible and proud citizen.
Thanks, Divya. Vidya, this was wonderful talking to you. And we
Same here.
have a lot of members who want to ask a lot of questions to you. So now Nilesh Ladar will take over and he will ask you the questions which members want to ask you.
Sure. Thanks, Shalini.
Thanks. Vidya, I bribed everybody to come back.
Lovely.
That's my husband,
Namaskar,
my better
Vidya ji.
half, Nilesh.
Oh, hi.
Together we are the you can say there are designations here. So we are the president couple at MIG.
How cool is that? My God.
We have a great team in Shalini, Pranay, and you would also get to see our secretary couple, Ashish and Ritu Dalia.
विद्या हमारे ऑडियंस से कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे. Before that, I had a question with you. हम 5 बचपन में दिखता था, or younger age, I'd put it this way. And then I recently saw Shakuntala Devi. और जो actions है आपका जिस तरीके से, am I right? मुझे right होता है. So this transition has happened. And there is a maturity with which आप ये roles कर रही हो. There is an expertise जिस तरह से आप handle करते हो. The shift from Dirty Picture to Shakuntala Devi. Now, how do you bring out that versatility? How do you bring out वो जो change है? कभी-कभार क्या होता है stereotype हो जाते हैं actors. How do you bring that out?
मैं बहुत जल्दी उब जाती हूँ तो इसीलिए अपने आप को engaged रखने के लिए मैं अलग-अलग किरदार चुनती हूँ और अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करती हूँ, इसीलिए वो हर बार मुझसे कुछ अलग करवाते हैं. हर डायरेक्टर यही चाहता है कि अच्छा अभी तो तुमने ये भी कर लिया, मैं कुछ और करवाता हूँ तुमसे या करवाती हूँ तुमसे. तो मैं बहुत खुशनसीब रही हूँ उस मामले में और मैं बहुत भूखी एक्टर हूँ. हर बार मैं कुछ नया पेश करना चाहती हूँ. तो शायद it's a combination of all these factors. But thank you for the compliment.
Yes, so brilliant acting there.
Thank you.
We were told that we have roughly 45-50 minutes with you.
Right.
So, we would like you to tell us 5 minutes before when you want to, when you have your next commitment and you need to go.
Okay. Okay. As of now, we can go on. I'll get my manager to just intimate me when.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Aditi, please tell me when it's time.
Sure.
Great.
Because I'm just coming off a webinar and I'm going into another one.
Yes. We informed about that.
Right.
We are very lucky and happy with the time that we have got.
No, but I'm glad I could interact with all of you lovely people this evening. So please ask me whatever.
Yes. So one of the questions जो chat box में आया था was today health and fitness is equal to skinny. To dubla patla is equal to healthy or fit. A lot of younger people or all of us probably go through a type of a mental stress to stay thin. Kai baar it also results into depression. In a big number of people. What do you want to tell them?
I want to say lots because this is something I've lived with. कि जैसे आपने कहा कि दुबला पतला होना healthy होने की कोई guarantee नहीं है. So I think most importantly for me, I've learned through trial and error, through trials and tribulations that health first. And हर एक की अलग body type होती है. Please don't fight your body type and try to be thin because you're going to deprive yourself of foods. You're going to deprive maybe exercise too much. Maybe just live under this constant stress that, oh, I'm going to put on weight, I'm going to put on weight, I'm going to put on weight. Like you said, that could cause you to feel just very unhappy, unsettled. I know so many people, उनको बोलो आप कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो, but they'll say बहुत दुबले पतले लोग कहते हैं, no, yeah, but look at my cheeks, I put on weight. And I'm like, just be happy. Someone's given you a compliment, just turn around and say thank you. But for that, I think most importantly, we have to be happy with ourselves. Because if you have an unrealistic idea of who you want to be, that's going to be unachievable, and usi ka aap rona rote rahoge zindagi bhar. I think you have to just embrace, each of us is unique. We have different faces and different bodies, and you can't do what someone else is doing. मैंने बहुत बार ये किया है कि अच्छा वो तो इस तरह से exercise कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करूँगी, and then it's backfired because my body doesn't require that, it requires something else. So you have to do what is right for your body.
Right. Agree. Absolutely.
Thanks.
Absolutely.
I had a question, Vidya ji. आपने इतने सारे characters किए हैं. Of all these characters, rather this is a question from the audience. Of all these characters that you have done, which is your favorite? And
Oh
why?
my God, that's unfair.
But you did such diverse roles and such beautiful roles. So,
That's very tough. It's like choosing between your children. It's very tough to say. And people expect me to say maybe The Dirty Picture or Vidya Bagchi in Kahani and all. They're all very special characters, but every character is very special to me. I'm sorry, I can't. If at all, I'd say the character in Parinita is extremely special because that was the first character I played on screen.
Great. So you say all the characters are good? And
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let me ask.
In my opinion, like I can never see अगर film चलती भी नहीं है ना, तो even then I can't see the film objectively कि अच्छा क्या गलत हुआ, क्या कमी रह गई. I feel कि सब तो ठीक है because I'm too close to it.
What was the toughest character to play? One last question here.
I think Silk in The Dirty Picture and Shakuntala Devi, because Silk was very open, very brazen bodily.
Mm-hmm.
She was very comfortable with her body and her sexuality, or rather not sexuality, her sexualness, with how sexy she was. And Shakuntala Devi was a very complicated mind.
Yes.
So it was equally tough.
Wow. So the arrogance of Shakuntala Devi.
That was tough.
Great.
All loved Shakuntala Devi. We cannot imagine Shakuntala Devi as herself. If we're talking about the mathematician, it's your face.
Oh my God, that's a lovely compliment. Thank you so much.
True. I would just, like, we finished with the questions. We could go on, but we've been informed it is time almost. So I'm calling Ashish and Ritu to pay a vote of thanks, a formal vote of thanks to you.
We can take 1 or 2 questions. I have time till 6:50.
All right.
Great.
So,
Great. Okay.
How do you handle failures? Because ये हमारी बात इन सभी बातों में होती रही है, but एक specific mindset होता है जो आपको help करता है उस मुश्किल घड़ी से उभारने के लिए.
मैं रोती बहुत हूँ, बहुत गुस्सा होती हूँ जब फिल्म नहीं चलती. It is also because it's so public, right? तो बहुत लगता है कि यार क्या हो रहा है, and you feel unloved because audiences didn't go in to see a film of yours. But I think वो मैं निकाल देती हूँ, क्लेश या दर्द जो भी है मेरे अंदर वो रो के मैं निकाल देती हूँ. I talk a lot to Siddharth, my husband, to my parents, my sister. I just get it out of my system, और एक बार वो निकल गया ना, तो then you're able to move forward. So that's how I deal with failure. But also I think somewhere I feel that ups and downs are part of life. So even when you're down, there's hope that you'll be on the up again. I think that's held me in good stead.
So well said. So well said. So ups and downs are part of life. So
Absolutely.
one more question we had from the audience.
Sure.
So there was one, Mahesh Industrial Group is also a group of industrialists or working entrepreneurs. It's
Yeah.
a kind of an incubation mechanism for people who come from across the country to Pune and are starting their own new businesses.
Wow.
One of the new entrepreneurs asked me this, that when a film is made and there is a budget and there is everything that goes on behind the screen, is there a percentage that is given to different types of expenditures? How does that work?
No, it really depends on the subject. So if you're telling a historical, maybe costumes and your sets will require a bigger budget.
Right.
Whereas if you're telling a more realistic story, the budget on that goes down. So there's no fixed percentage. The percentage is determined by the story that's being told.
Okay. So
A little fluid type of a system.
Yeah, absolutely. It really, the subject decides, how much of the budget will go into what department. Sometimes you need a lot of special effects, and then on some films you don't need special effects at all, or you require very little special effects. So really you can't keep a fixed budget or a fixed percentage within the budget for any department.
okay.
Okay.
Right.
And the final last question
Sure.
also came from the audience. We are sorry to the audience कि हम आपके नाम नहीं ले पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, because we are flooded with questions. There are hundreds of them. हम question ही देख पा रहे हैं और सवाल पूछ पा रहे हैं, आपके नाम नहीं acknowledge कर रहे हैं. So all the questions जिन्होंने पूछे उन सबको भी thank you कर रहे हैं. And the last question, जब आप कोई character play करते हो विद्या, तो naturally आपकी psyche में वो character बैठ जाता होगा. फिल्म की शूट, प्रमोशन या रिलीज होने के आसपास कब तक आप उस कैरेक्टर में एक्चुअली रहते हो? घर आने के बाद विद्या बालन बन जाती है या शकुंतला देवी घर आती है?
नहीं, विद्या बालन घर आती है. मैं शादीशुदा हूँ, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. नहीं, एक्चुअली पहले होता था कि मैं कैरेक्टर तो I've never carried the character back. बट होता यह है कि कभी कभी आपने बहुत इमोशनल सीन कर दिया, आप ड्रेन फील करते हो by the end of it, या so you may carry forward that mood. So वो पहले होता था, पर अभी with experience, with maturity, I've learned to leave work back at work and go home, and I think that way I've just realized that it's a healthier way to be.
Absolutely.
You just
जगह पे छोड़ के आना चाहिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तब शायद सभी को अप्लाई करता है, right?
Yes.
And you look at your husband.
Okay. So Vidya ji, I would request
Ashish and Ritu to pay a
to-
small vote of thanks to you.
Sure.
Thank you enough for giving time to us.
and
No, my pleasure entirely. And you both are lovely. You'll make a lovely couple. God bless you.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
And we are going to try a selfie after a vote of thanks. So just give us
Sure.
a minute afterwards.
Absolutely.
All right.
Yes,
All
thank
right. Here is Ashish and Ritu.
Hi Vidya,
Hi, Ashish. Hi, Ritu.
How are you doing?
Very well. Thank you.
I am being given one of the toughest job right now, that is to depart from you. किसी को पढ़ेंगे तो मेरे को पढ़ेंगे ये बोल के कि आप आए और विद्या चली गई. And Vidya reminds me about one more thing, is a song which says अभी न जाओ छोड़ के अभी अभी तो आए हो अभी अभी तो आए हो. Okay.
आप बार बार कहोगे तो मैं रुक जाऊंगी. क्योंकि मुझे मजा आ रहा है, तो आप बार बार मत
क्या
कहना.
बात है, क्या
फिर
बात.
आप लोग भाग जाओगे, मैं यही रहूंगी.
ये हमने कहा ही ऐसा था कि MIG के अंदर में मैग्नेट है, अगर
हाँ.
विद्या रुक सकती है तो हम किसी को भी रुका सकते हैं. Coming to the closure of the note, so what we had been knowing Vidya, you in as diverse role as dirty picture to Shakuntala Devi. एक तरफ जहां पे आपने एंटरटेनमेंट लोगों के जुबान पे लाया, वहीं पे आपने मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन करके भी दिखाया. एक तरफ जहां पे 50 साल वालों को एंगेज किया, वहीं पे आपने 5-10 साल वालों को भी एक राह दिखाई. तो टुडे हियरिंग यू एट MIG, आई फील नो लेस दैन एंटरटेनमेंट तो है ही विद्या के साथ में, लेकिन साथ में एक इंस्पिरेशन, एक एनलाइटमेंट और एक एस्पिरेशन भी जुड़ जाता है.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. And I would also like to mention a special thank to Ranjana Salvi. It's only because of her that we could see you and we could witness your faces. You might be surprised to see the kind of request what we have been getting to talk to you, connect with you, and we have been so excited for all these particular days to have you here. Thank you for extending your 5 minutes also. वो भी बहुत बड़ी चीज होगी हम लोग.
No, I enjoyed the session and really I feel so bad that we have to end it even though there have been so many questions. I'm sorry to all those whose questions I couldn't answer, but I have another session planned. Otherwise, I would have spent more time with you all. But thank you for this lovely interaction.
तो जैसे
And thank you again, Ranjana.
तो जैसे कहानी आई थी वैसे विद्या पार्ट 2 भी आ सकता है क्या MIG में?
जरूर. तो मैं भी एक गाना सुनाना चाहूंगी, तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए.
Thank you, Vidya. We just like to take one selfie. Another.
Sure.
Just.
This thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. This is the craziest selfie ever.
This is lockdown special.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all. Stay safe. Thank you.
Everybody's still related, in that aura.
And all the best to MIG.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very pleasant evening to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. We are giving a right to unmute yourself now.